Hi everyone, so I'm going to do a little bit more work to the TT 3.6, that guy there. I'm going to try and fit the R36's cat back into the TT. I'm not too sure if it's going to work properly because I have a feeling that the cat back section is going to be too long. The section that I'll be using is from an aftermarket kit, so it actually starts at the clamp from the cat, and then it stops shortly after the subframe. So where it splits into a Y on an R36, that's where it kind of stops. So I'm going to have to figure out something for the rest of the exhaust.
So before I get into removing the cat back, I'm going to do the obligatory before exhaust sound, and then after that, of course, I'll show you what it sounds like afterwards. So let's go.
Not too sure why that cut out, but let's have a look at how we can remove the exhaust. Just going to quickly breeze through this. So you can see that the R36's cat section is a lot bigger than the 3.2 cat back. So I've used heat wrap to make sure that the clamp can fit on securely. Another challenge was to make the R36's cat section fit. There's normally two resonators here which I've had to delete so that the piping could fit the prop shaft tunnel.
Alright, so I've swapped the R36 catback section in, and it definitely does not fit. Just as I thought, the bit that joins onto the end of the cat section is actually quite long. It is definitely a lot longer before that first exhaust hanger hook comes into play, so it does need to have a little bit of a modification for it to become a lot shorter, but I think the rest of the bends and at the Y will be in a good spot after it has been cut down. Quickly show you underneath the car to show you that it is completely way too long. And of course, we'll test it out anyway since it's already bolted up and good to go. It's kind of just hanging there at the moment, but yeah, I'll definitely have to put the stock one back on. That's the cat section there from the R36, which is fine. The length is absolutely fine and it fits under the TT very well. Goes to the clamp there, but you can see now using that R36 cat back. This is not a stock cat back, but the stock one will be the same length anyway. That first exhaust hanger just is really far away, and that section there is just way too long, which then puts everything else off. So if that first clamp section were to be a little bit shorter, I think the rest of the bends will be absolutely fine. We'll have a look from the back of the car. So you can see that it totally misses that little hump where the Y is meant to go. It's just too far away. The little resonator there is not right underneath where the Haldex unit would be, so that should be kind of much closer to the end of the prop shaft slash rear diff. But the rest of the bends are fine. For now, let's see how this sounds with the R36 catback section with no mufflers.
Sounds pretty good to me. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please remember to subscribe for more TT 3.6 content. Thanks for watching.